Hey, thanks for checking out my video. This is the second video in a series of animal cupcakes that I'm doing, and this one is the bear. And the tips that I'm using are for his face, I'm using a number 32 open star tip. And then for his, I guess you would call it his snout, I'm using a round number 12 tip. That I have a very pale chocolate color that I'm using, and I should say flavor, not color. And then for the white of his eyes, I'm using a number 4 round tip. I'm using a black edible bead for the center of his eyes, and for his nose and ears, I'm using chocolate discs, or you might know them as melting wafers. If you buy them in bulk, they're usually called discs. If you buy them like by the chocolate chips, I think they might be called melting wafers. But anyway, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It's free to you and it helps me to be able to make more videos, and you'll get a notification when I put out a new video. So I hope you like the bear, and I hope you have great success when you make them. Take care.